Welcome back to Modern Ronin Media. My name is Tommy, and this is the channel for filmmakers who love the art of filmmaking. Today we're doing a quick, really impromptu unboxing. So I got this box. Yeah, that's how you usually do an unboxing, right? Is you get a box. This box is from Tokina USA. They are letting us use one of their lenses for the Nightmare Phantom. And this is in my opinion, a special lens. I haven't seen a lot of reviews on it. I do know it's a perfect focal length for what I'm looking for. It is going to be, I hope, the 25-75 T2.9. Let's open this up and let's see what's inside. So this is one of the problems about being tall and trying to do these unboxing videos. You lose your head in the frame. So let's see, what do we have here? We have, get the knife secure. We have some packaging information. And we have this beautiful, very beautiful looking box. It is, like I said, the Tokina 25-75. Why are you not zooming in on it? Oh God, I love unboxing. So this is the, like I said, Tokina 25-75 T2.9. Let's open this guy up. It's a, what they call a mid-range zoom. So this is kind of special because you don't see a lot of Cine lenses that are in a good price point that go from 25 to 75, because you're going from the wider end of the spectrum to a zoom. So typically, the way I understand it is basically 35 and below are considered wide. So 35, 24s, 28s, 20s in the case of Tokina, because I have the 11 to 20, 18s, 16s, 14s, 12s are anything I think below probably an 18, maybe a 16 is considered an ultra wide. So you're amazing for landscapes. We are going to be using the 11 to 20 for some interesting shots, try to get some texture for one of the characters, which is unusual to shoot a character that wide. But this one is going to be used primarily for another character that we really want to get some deep focus and really get some, how am I trying to say this? We want to really accent some of the character in the character's facial features and do it at kind of a standoff, so we're gonna get that nice depth of field and that longer lens feel to it. On top of that, we have a few shots where we need to do some snap zoom. So going from 25 to 75 is gonna give us a nice quick snap into some reactions. So this should be really interesting. So, forgot, we're doing an unboxing. Let's talk about what we have. We have what appears to be a lens pouch. I think this is the same little Allen setup that came with the 11 to 20. I'm not 100% sure what that one does. Got some packaging foam. And here it is. For a lens, this is pretty hefty feeling. Now this is their testing lens, so it's gone out to a lot of people. So you may get a little bit more in the packaging. So here we go. The 25 to 75. Let's see if it'll, let me move this over so we can get a tap to zoom or tap to, so there we go. We have yellow and white focal markings. So you can see, I really, really like any lens that has, oh, I'm bring it back over to this side. I really like any lens that has the yellow high vis focal markings. I don't know what it is, maybe it's just me, but to me, that is something that's really valuable. And it appears, oh, nice. So it does have high vis zoom and aperture markings too. That's, to me, that's just a good sign of someone forward thinking when they develop their lenses. I'm not going to speculate. I can imagine it doesn't cost that much more to go with the high vis colors. The whites are great, but these markings really stand out, especially if you're a focal, if you have a manual follow focus on the side and you got a focus puller. These to me are going to stand out a lot more. But this thing is solid. You have the EF mount on the back with the EF lens cap. You have this really big face on the front element. It's me, it goes back to my photography days, but I love big glass on the front element. And this thing is huge glass, and you got this really nice Tokina branded slip-on lens cover. So that's it. Like I said, this is really quick. I just want to do this real quick. Ooh, maybe not real quick. So let's talk about this real quick. This iris feels super smooth. The zoom itself does, and the tension and the focus is butter. Why are those important? When I do the full review on this before I send it back, I will tell you why. But for me, these are things that I look for in a lens. This thing is all metal. In fact, it's probably somewhere in the high 30s, low 40s outside. Haven't had the heat on all day, and I can feel the cool transfer through. So you guys, do me a favor. Keep an eye out. We're gonna get a whole bunch of photography done on this. We're gonna get a whole bunch of behind the scenes while we're on set, and we're gonna do a review. But until we get all of that, do me a favor. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment on it, share it out, and most of all, go out there and create great things. Don't be worried about the best thing on the market and spend the most money for a camera. Just use the tools that you know that are going to help you get the job done. And I will talk to you guys soon.